Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever had that sinking feeling, literally, when your electric vehicle suddenly seems to be losing its pep? Your range is plummeting, and you're starting to wonder if your battery is about to give up the ghost. Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into why your EV battery might be dying and, more importantly, what you can do about it. Now, before we get started, I want to be upfront. While I've done my best to research this, I haven't found a trove of super recent, specific data online. So, we'll be relying on general knowledge and the wisdom gleaned from years of watching electric vehicle technology evolve. Think of this as a conversation, not a doctoral thesis. We'll focus on the common culprits and practical solutions. The first thing to understand is that EV batteries, like any battery, aren't immortal. They degrade over time. It's a natural process, kind of like how your phone battery loses capacity after a couple of years. But with an EV, the stakes are a little higher. We're talking about your commute, your road trips, your ability to get to the grocery store. So, what are the main reasons your EV battery might be losing its punch? One major factor is temperature. Extreme heat or extreme cold can significantly impact battery performance. Think of it like this: extreme heat can cause the battery's internal components to overheat and degrade faster, while extreme cold can reduce its efficiency and limit its output. This is why you might notice a shorter range in the dead of winter or the scorching summer. This isn't necessarily a sign of failure, it's just a consequence of the physics involved. Another crucial point is charging habits. Constantly charging your battery to 100% or letting it drain completely can put unnecessary stress on the cells. It's like constantly running a marathon. Eventually, your body will start to wear down. Ideally, you want to keep your battery charge level within a reasonable range, say, between 20% and 80%, to maximize its lifespan. Think of it as the Goldilocks zone for your EV's battery. Not too full, not too empty, just right. Now, let's talk about driving style. Aggressive acceleration and braking can also contribute to faster battery degradation. Smooth, consistent driving is gentler on your battery and can help extend its lifespan. Think of it like driving an old classic car. You wouldn't want to constantly slam the gas pedal and screech the brakes, right? The same principle applies to your EV. Another factor, although often overlooked, is the age of your battery. Like any technology, batteries have a limited lifespan. Over time, the cells within the battery will naturally degrade, leading to a reduction in capacity and performance. This is inevitable, but proper maintenance and care can help prolong its life. So, what can you do if you suspect your EV battery is failing? Well, the first step is to get it professionally diagnosed. A qualified mechanic can run tests to assess the battery's health and identify any potential problems. They might find issues like cell imbalance, faulty modules, or other internal damage. Don't try to fix this yourself unless you're a certified EV technician. We're talking about high-voltage systems here. Safety should always be your top priority. Now, while I can't give specific DIY solutions for a failing battery because I can't find specific details on that, I can offer some general preventative measures. Regular maintenance, keeping your battery within the optimal charge range, and avoiding extreme driving habits can all contribute to a longer-lasting battery. And remember, consulting your owner's manual is your best friend. The manufacturer's recommendations are crucial for optimal battery care. Now, before we wrap up, let's talk about how you can support this channel and help us keep creating awesome content like this. If you found even one useful nugget or had a chuckle, hitting that like button really helps tell YouTube this content is valuable, helping others find it too. It takes a second but means a lot. And hey, if you want to keep diving deep into topics like this and stay ahead of the curve, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. We've got more insights coming your way. Creating these detailed videos takes a ton of research and time. If you get value from this work and want to support the channel directly, there's a Patreon link in the description below. Every little bit helps fuel future content and keeps this channel going strong. No pressure at all, but huge thanks if you do. You're joining a community of EV enthusiasts who are passionate about learning and sharing knowledge. So, to summarize, understanding your EV battery's behavior is crucial for a smooth and efficient driving experience. Temperature, charging habits, driving style, and the age of the battery all play a significant role. Remember, preventative measures and professional diagnosis are key if you suspect any problems. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy driving! And let me know in the comments, what are your biggest concerns about EV battery health?